Install the laminate roll on the mandrel. Tighten the mandrel. Move the silencer bar into place. Unwind the laminate over the silencer bar. Install an empty core on the liner, take up mandrel and tighten the mandrel. Place the laminate under the top bar. Remove the laminate from the liner. Tape the liner to the empty core. Fold over the end of the laminate. Move the laminate to the pinch rollers. Manually tighten the liner mandrel to take up the extra slack. Open the pinch roller and feed the laminate through the rollers. Confirm the laminate is centered on the printed roll. Adjust the position of the laminate roll if necessary. Lower the pinch roller and trim the end of the laminate. Turn on the tension sensors for both the laminate roll and liner take-up mandrels.